Welcome to MomCom. Today's video is all about testing for pregnancy through a urine home pregnancy test kit. Like I said in another video, this is the easiest, most economical and the fastest test that you can do to detect pregnancy. It's easy because this kit is available at your chemist, so very easily available over the counter. It is fastest because the results will be available in within max 5 minutes. I don't think you'll have to wait that much also. And economical because it just costs rupees 50, so you can easily get backups if you want to. I recommend that you get backups because the first one might not come out accurate, especially if you're doing it for the first time. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm opening the kit. Let's see what do we have inside it. So this is the kit. I'll have to open this again, and they have also given a manual just in case you want to go through the instructions or if you want more details, you can easily go through their manual. Okay, on this kit it's very clearly written what do you have inside it. So there are three results that you can expect from this test. The first one is invalid, which means that if there is no line at all on your test device, the result came out to be invalid. That means you need to repeat the entire test again on a different device altogether. The second one is a positive result, which means that you're pregnant. This will come in case you get two pink lines, one against the letter C and the second against the letter T. The third one is negative, that means that you do not have a pregnancy. This is the case when you only get one pink line. You'll get this pink line against the letter C. So it's very important for us to understand what each result means so that we don't get confused whether I'm pregnant or not. So I just opened the packet, and what I have is a test device. This is the test device, and I also have a dropper. This dropper will be used to collect the urine. I need to fill full 3 drops of urine in it, and the device will be used to run the test. I just wanted to show you how the device is read. So there are 2 empty spaces here. One is a smaller circle. This is where you'll pour 3 drops of urine, and the other one is where the test will run automatically. So like I said, you see a letter C and you see a letter T. If you do not get any line at all here, that means that your test result is invalid. If you get only one line on the letter C, that means the result is negative. You are not pregnant. And if you get 2 lines on C and T, one each, that means your result is positive, and it's a hooray moment in case you're expecting pregnancy. And immediately call your doctor in case you don't want to get pregnant right now. Okay, so I have my urine collected in the dropper, and I'm ready to pour 3 drops of urine here. That's drop number 1, drop number 2, and drop number 3. And like it said on the instruction kit, I need to wait max 5 minutes to read the results. Note, please do not consider the results valid if you're reading it after 5 minutes. That's what the kit also says. It's very easy. Like you saw, it does not require any hard work at all. Very economical. Even if one gets wasted, spend another 50 rupees and you have the other one. You can store these in your refrigerator. You'll see the validity of one test kit is as long as a year. So you don't really have to wait to get the kit immediately and do the test within one day. You can actually plan when you want to run the tests. And do note that in spite of this test, even if you're pregnant, your doctor will ask you to undergo a blood test. But if you don't know whether you're pregnant or not, this is very, very easy and economical to kind of quickly do it and get through. So we have the result already in less than 5 minutes, in fact not even a minute. And you can see 2 pink lines very, very clearly here, and that means that I'm having a baby. So you saw how simple this test is. Use the first urine sample to do this test. That's the most accurate. wait for minimum 7 days after missing your period to do this test if you want, and the first time the test comes out negative, you may be just doing it too early, so you can repeat it as well if you're still not having your period. Anything else that you want to know about this, just put a comment and we will reply back immediately. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. We'd be happy to share more information as and when we have it.